Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template on Trello over your phone. It's very easy. You have to just download Trello from your, you can just download it over the Play Store or App Store. Then we will just open our Trello. If you open your Trello, if you're in any board, then your interface will look like this. And it doesn't matter. Then in the bottom right side corner, you will see this plus icon. Just click on the plus icon. Then here you will get this three option: browse template, cards, and board. Click on browse template, and here you will find so many templates. And for example, here on the top you can choose your genre, whatever niche you are. For example, I will just click on business, and here it will show that they have a business template too. So we'll just go here, right? We will choose any of the template, right? Now here it will show you the templates look like this. If you want to keep these cards over here, cards is basically this called product, marketing, sales, right? So these are called the cards. If you just want to remove it, it will remove, but the title will be similar. But although you can change it very easily, you have to just rename those. And if you are satisfied with this, you can just click on create board for template. But if you don't wanna if you don't wanna choose any of the template, you can do one thing: click on the plus icon, click on the board. Once you click on the board, you can just type your board name and it will show the complete clean Trello board, and you can just make whatever things you want. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.